Yeah. So well. You've never been to a drift event or anything?
I have, but I don't do a drifting.
Oh, dude. I think he might be all-wheel drive. I can't really tell. Are they? Like, whatever, have fun.
Like, whatever. I'm just gonna let this go. It's better that they're doing it here.
Billy.
Trying to say hi.
For summer tires, she grips.
The fronts grip a little bit, and they're 285 wide. I think it was stuck now. Bro, I've been here all morning, like at least an hour. No, it's good though. Bro, I like the car though, it's nice. I fuck with the wide body.
Yeah, dude, it's sick.
For real? I don't think I can make it up the garage.
Dude, yeah, no. Rear wheel drive, it's like nothing.
I want summer tires, bro. I can't do anything. These are 285 20s and they're summer tires. I can't do shit. Appreciate it. Oh man. Yeah. Did you do some low speed rollers?
I didn't.
Do you want to? Because we got the whole parking lot. We got a bunch of people.
Yeah, we could get it. We get some.
I really wanted to film me doing tricks because I never had an outside film.
I'll get out and film you.
Oh yeah.
I'll just stand near a pole and you can just like circle and then do wider donuts.
What's your name, man? Ethan. I'm Diego. This is Michael. He drives that truck. I just met him today.
Yeah.
Drifting too.
Yeah, I heard him. I was like, I'm coming. Let me let it warm up a little bit. Okay, what's up guys? So this is actually what we do when it snows in Texas. We just, I don't know, I don't even know these guys, but they're badass. This guy doesn't even drift, but man, he should definitely get into it because he is killing it. Check it. park in Arlington, Texas, and I do have all my snowboard gear, so let's go hit the slopes. So we made it up to the top. This part's pretty steep. This part's pretty mellow back here. I'm no I'm no pro, so let's start with the mellow stuff and see if we can get down it. Oh, it's pretty sticky. And it's really thin. Oh. Yeah, we might have to go somewhere steeper. Alright, well, let's try this again. Oh yeah, much better. Ah, there's a bunch of rocks. This is on a disc golf course, and there's like a ton of rocks underneath the snow, so we're gonna go, let's try to go this way. Yeah, this is not working. Well, this is really pretty out here. What do y'all think? Right here? Let's give it a try. We're gonna have to watch out for that thing. It's like a little pipe sticking out of the ground, so we'll be careful to avoid that. But hopefully you can just make it down this little run. Oh yeah, much better. Woo! Woo-hoo! Getting hung up on sticks. Oh. So many rocks and hitting. Oh my gosh. Oh. That's all she wrote. Yeah, look at all the dirt. Only in Texas, baby. I mean, it was a good little run though. Let's see if we can make it down the whole way. We kind of like packed in a little path. The only bad thing is you gotta hike it every single time, so look at those guys. But sometimes it's worth putting in a lot of work just to have a little bit of fun, you know? It's kind of like the Datsun build. Putting in a ton of work. Hopefully we'll have a little fun when we're done. Here's some rocks. Oh, we're gonna make it. Oh, oh. That was a little better run. Let's see if I can set y'all up on a tripod so y'all can see what I'm going down. Little run. Stuck here though. All right, guys. Well, it was nothing like Colorado, but hey, it was still fun. It rarely ever snows like this in Texas, so we made the most of it. We got up early. We got out there. Our power was out, so I couldn't even work today. So hopefully that was somewhat enjoyable to watch. Glad I still have my snowboard, even though it's a crappy $25 snowboard I got from Goodwill, but hey, it works, you know. Hopefully, you know, it'll snow a little bit more, so we can go back out tomorrow or the next day. But thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. See y'all later. Peace.